beauties, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright guys, so if you're new here, you are highly welcome. Okay, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you a homemade remedy that would help you to melt and vanish your belly fat or your stubborn fat. Okay, it's just going to go into your fat cells and reduce it little by little. Now 2 tablespoons each of this, 2 tablespoons each of this is going to help you so much to vanish all of your belly fat, and you are going to be loving your results. Okay, but also you have to be consistent in taking this, and you have to give it some time for you to see a whole visible result. So if you want to know what it is, please do continue watching and subscribe to my YouTube channel, thumbs up and share the video. Now let me take you right into this video. Alright, so in this we're going to be needing to use this is ginger powder. Okay, so in this particular one we're going to be needing about 2 tablespoons of ginger powder. Yeah, so okay, so if you don't have ginger powder for this particular one, you can actually just use the ginger root itself. Okay, it's also perfect. See, if in case you do not have the ginger powder, so 2 tablespoons of 2 tablespoons of ginger powder is perfect. Now this actually helps to flush out toxins in the body. It helps for belly fat, and it also helps for cough, flu and catarrh. Since in this weather that we're experiencing all of those things like cough and catarrh, so that's why we'll be needing that. And we'll also be needing this, and this is garlic powder. Okay, you can also use the real garlic, okay, just so to be very fast. But this, if you want to get garlic powder or ginger powder, look at the difference. Garlic powder or ginger powder, you can dry those things and then blend it. You can dry the garlic and dry the ginger and then you blend it. Okay, so what I'm going to do is that I'm going to be putting in about 2 tablespoons of this each into this, and that is perfect. So we're also going to be needing to use aloe vera, and here I have a fresh aloe vera that I harvested from my farm. Yeah, so you're going to be needing to use the aloe vera gel, which this is the gel. Okay, now aloe vera is actually very perfect for the body, but it is actually bitter, so you should know what you're taking. So you know what you're taking. It is bitter, but it is very, very perfect. Yeah, so what you do is that you would have to prepare the aloe vera this way by cutting the 2 sides. Now after cutting the 2 sides, then you would have to first of all wash it. It is ideal you wash your stuff, okay, since we're actually taking it internally. So we're going to be cutting it into the pot. Now you do not need to worry, you can actually just cut it like this since you're going to be sieving it. Okay, so you cut it this way. You cut in all of the aloe vera, and here it is. Okay, it's actually perfect this way. Now the next thing you're going to do also, you're also going to be needing scent leaf. Yeah, scent leaf is a perfect remedy for reduction of belly fat. It works so well in flushing toxins in the body and cleaning your colon. Okay, and it's also of a very nice spice for pepper soup. So it's just something that is edible, but it kind of treats or remove all of your belly fat. So what I'm doing right now, I'm basically just washing the scent leaf, and then you would have to plug some of it, yeah. Putting it into the pot. Okay, and this is it. This is how it looks like. Okay, so the last thing we're going to be getting is this, which is lemon. Okay, now we're going to be cutting in all of the lemon plus the lemon zest into this mix, into this drink. Okay, so lemon is very good because it's acidic in nature, so it's going to wash and remove all belly fat. So this is how you're just going to be cutting it. You're just going to be putting it plus the lemon zest. Okay, just like that. Alright, so that's perfect. Now after you've put in everything, the next thing is that you're going to put in water. Now you're going to put in water to cook this. Clean water. So I'm going to be stirring this all up. And this is how it's going to be. It's going to come out smelling like pepper soup. Okay, but it's actually very, very perfect for belly fat. So I'm going to be putting in fire, removing some of this dirt here. So I've actually put in fire, and I'll let it cook for some minutes, and I'll be right back to show you how it is. Okay guys, so this is it, and it has to be boiling for at least 5 minutes or thereabout, and it's going to be looking somewhat like pepper soup, but it is actually not pepper soup though. But yeah, it's going to be very, very like interesting when you drink this. Okay, and it actually does not have any bad taste or whatsoever. Okay, let me grab a spoon and turn this for you guys to see. So this is how it looks like, and this is the lemon. I don't see. This is the lemon in it. Okay, and this is the aloe vera in it. This is the aloe vera. Okay, so after you do this, then you're going to let it cool for a little while. This is how it looks like. It smells like pepper soup right now. Okay, so now I would have to be turning this into the cup. Now if the lemon goes inside, it is still okay. Okay, because it's actually there for garnishing. So this is how it looks like. Okay, this is how it looks like. And let me have a taste of this. You have to drink this warm, guys. You do not have to drink it too cold, because when it's cold, it's just gonna just sit there in your stomach for some time. But when you drink it warm, it's just going to work like magic. It's gonna cut all of those fats, and then leaving your belly really light. Okay, so you can actually make this pepper soup and actually drink it in the morning, before any other meal. In the morning before any other meal is perfect for this drink. Yeah, this is how it is, and it smells really great. So let me have a take of this and tell you how it tastes. Okay, it tastes like pepper soup, but a little bit of pepperish because of the ginger and the garlic in it. Yeah, but it is nice and perfect because the pepperish nature of it is actually what is going to help to burn down your belly fat, and this is actually very healthy and is actually very helpful. Okay, so try this every morning for the space of 2 weeks, and you're going to be loving how your body is going to be, basically. Okay, that's it, guys. That's just how you're going to cook all of this together. You can decide to use the fresh one or the dry one. Anyone you have, you use it. Okay, it's gonna be awesome, effective and simple. Yeah, so if you do enjoy watching this video, please don't forget to thumbs up the video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and share the video. And I will see you soon in my next video, and stay flawless. Bye, guys.